The Consumer Electronics Show continues in Las Vegas with some of the technology giants looking to make a very big statement. Two of those giants are Sony and Samsung. Mark Niu joins us live now from Las Vegas for the latest on what's new.
Phil, it's being billed as the biggest CES ever, but there are some notable absences, some big ones like Apple, Google, and even Microsoft, which decided to sit it out this year. But two heavyweights known for putting on some of the biggest shows returned with a bevy of innovations, all trying to outdo one another. Waiting to catch a glimpse of Sony's future. To many enthusiasts, the view looks as sharp as ever.
The beautiful design, the stunning picture, it's just simply breathtaking.
These 55 and 65-inch TVs seek to make more affordable a technology known as 4K, which is 4 times the resolution of 1080p, the highest setting on most HD TVs. In its presentation, Sony talked about how its products used to make people say wow all the time, but not so much recently. 4K technology is one way Sony believes it can bring back that wow factor. 9 months into his job as Sony's CEO, Kazuo Hirai took to the stage to show off some prototypes, including a 55-inch O or organic LED TV, the world's largest of its kind.
We will drive the innovation that will guarantee you will be continued to be moved by Sony and really say, wow.
Not to be outdone, Samsung's press event resulted in 3-hour lines. Inside, new TV screens dramatically appeared. First, one of the industry's thinnest LED TVs, and later, an 85-inch HD TV with 4 times the resolution of standard LED TVs. Samsung also added voice recognition and emphasized a new feature called S Recommendation, which learns your viewing habits and your tastes.
Bringing not just what they expect, but what they had never dreamed was possible.
Samsung is very strong in manufacturing. They usually have an edge in the sizes and the volume that they can output. For Sony, they produce content and they also produce the cameras that are used to produce the movies. So they think that they can, use that ecosystem.
Part of that ecosystem includes launching a delivery service for true 4K content, something that's in short supply. Sony also one-upped Samsung by unleashing a new smartphone, the Xperia Z, which claims to have a screen as impressive as an HD television. The Xperia Z also sports a new one-touch feature whereby you can tap it against a speaker and play your music through it instantly. And one of the big tech heavyweights making a major showing at CES is Intel, the chip maker with technology in so many PCs and now mobile devices too. I'm joined here by Bryan Deaner. Thank you for joining us, the Global Intel Brand Manager.
Hello,
First
Mark.
of all, what did Intel show us at CES?
Well, it's a big year for Intel at CES. I mean, we're always excited to be here, but I think two of our really big stories are around mobility and innovation. We have a whole portfolio of mobile products that are really spanning from smartphones to tablets to even mobile desktops to these new Ultrabooks.
I think everybody wants to see what can these things do.
Yeah. Well, so I think that the two really interesting things about these Ultrabooks are this next generation is all about responsiveness, touch, and convertibility. So if you look at these two that we have right here, what you're seeing for the first time is laptops based on the new Win 8 Microsoft operating system that give you full touch capability, but you also have a convertibility. People want laptops, but they also want tablets. So if you look at this example from Lenovo, you can use it in sort of laptop Ultrabook mode, and you click it open, and now you have a full tablet with full capabilities. This is the Dell example, and what you do on this one is you convert it at the bottom, turn it around, and now you also have the full tablet.
Okay. Around your booth, some of the major excitement going on, some video games in there where I believe a hand is scanned, you put your hand in,
right,
and you almost feel like it's inside the game. What is that technology and what is it capable of?
So it's actually perceptual technology, it's perceptual computing technology. Whereas lots of people really enjoy having this sort of touch motion with their smartphones and their tablets, where Intel is really innovating and heading is into the perceptual space. So you're doing things like hand gesture recognition, eye tracking recognition, and voice recognition. So it's that next level of interaction that is really going to give you a very immersive computing experience.
Intel is now targeting mobile.
That's right.
Just about a year and a half ago or so. what are you doing in the mobile space right now?
So in the mobile space, we've made great advances actually in the last year. We have about 7 design wins right now in the smartphone space. That's based on our Intel Atom processor, and that's in about 25 countries. We also have about 7 or 8 products we're looking at in the tablet space. So we're really offering a full range of mobile devices, again, from the smartphone all the way up to the really high performance Ultrabooks based on Intel Core processor.
Critics will say Intel's been kind of late to the game. What's your reaction to that?
Well, I think what we really wanted to do is make sure that we were focused on the right level of performance and the right experience. And so if you look at some of these new products, they really are world-class, sort of best in show, really the kind of performance and experiences that people are really looking for.
How about the PC market? Sales have been down overall. Do you see any signs of hope?
Well, I think that in general what we're seeing over the next couple of years is a big growing trend in the mobile market. So I think PC sort of is where it is, and I think in the mobile space we're seeing nice advances in both tablet and Ultrabook and laptop, all brought to you by these Intel processors.
Okay, Bryan Deaner, thank you very much for joining us. Now back to you in the studio.